kind of stuff I have shown. Okay, there are so many images also there. Only the steps. What is the boot processing and what are the steps? Those are a first point. What is the boot processing? It is starting your computer, the process of system, hardware and operating system loading. Okay, process of start of hardware and loading of operating system and getting user interface. Those steps are called a boot processing. The step by step, it is loaded, right? First is your hardware will be turned on and then operating system will be loaded and you will get a user interface. So what are the steps? The process is happen in your system, that is called a boot process. Okay. The first step is post power on self test. The second step is find out a bootable device, finding a bootable device, and from the bootable device load the MBR record or GPT record. Load MBR record. So then in the MBR record tells where is the bootloader. So load bootloader, load the bootloader, and bootloader will tell where is operating system and how to load operating system. So once it is loaded, you will get a login screen. So you log into the system, the startup services and applications will start. Then you can start using your system. Okay. The same steps, these are the main points. The same steps I'm elaborating. So then I will show you what will happen one by one, like both success of first step, failure of first step, like that. Okay. So what is the post power on self test? System test itself to make sure that all components, all main components are working or not. If post is successful, then it will go for the next step. If post is failure, then you have to do troubleshooting. Okay. So if how you know post is successful, guys, on the motherboard, they'll put a buzzer. Yeah. Okay. The post speaker, it is not that one. It's not that one. Motherboard. Yeah, these are the buzzer speaker. Earlier days we have a speakers. In those days we don't understand why the speaker it is not speaking anything, but it is meant for a buzzing purpose. Means to give a certain beep sounds. This is also same thing. So what is the purpose of this one? When you press the power button, when post is successful, it generates a single beep sound. It means post is successful. Why no beep sound? Why no beep sound? If it is upset, if it is speaker is not there, okay, if speaker is not there, we cannot able to hear the beep sound. Okay, that is the point. Next one is keyboard blinking. If you have a desktop, generally we can easily observe the keyboard. On keyboard, there will be a desktop keyboards. We can able to see three LEDs like this. One for a num lock, another for a cap lock, another for a scroll lock. Three LEDs. When you power on your system, these three LEDs blink once. These three LEDs blink once. It represents post is successful. Power LED is blinking and as well as hard disk LED is also blinking. Okay. Power LED and hard disk LED will be blink. So these are the front panel connection on your desktop or laptop. You can see there is a LED blinkings on the system. Power LED is blinking, hard disk LED. Okay, two LEDs. Okay, both LEDs are blinking. Okay, both LEDs are blinking. And very important is on your monitor, it shows something. Either it may be an error or maybe it is showing some your BIOS logo or maybe system company logo like a Dell logo or a HP logo like that it will shows. Okay, it shows even error or maybe some information go to the BIOS related or maybe motherboard company logo or maybe system company logo it will shows. Okay, at least it will show a that is no signal. Okay, the meaning is the post is successful. Of course, we don't worry about a post successful. Why? Because of it go for a next step, we load operating system, we do not observe those things. But what if post failure? Do troubleshooting. How you understand it is a post related issue. What is how you understand it is post related issues. So as we have discussed that one already in the earlier RAM related stuff. Okay. So how you understand it is post-related issues. Either no beep sound. Why no beep sound? Because of the buzzers are not installed. You may hear multiple or continuous long or short beeps, okay, based on the BIOS manufacturer and motherboard manufacturer. So you may hear not a single beep sound. Single beep sound, if you hear, that is post is successful. You may hear a multiple beep sounds, continuous or long or short beeps, you will hear. No display on the screen. It is a blank screen. Blank screen. On the screen, nothing is there. Blank screen or a black screen. You can say blank screen or a black screen. Okay. Blank screen or a black screen error. This error occurs because of two reasons. Okay. Nothing on the screen. Just nothing. Not even that mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is there. That is a different thing. If mouse pointer is showing, the representation is different. Nothing on the screen, not even some loading kind of also not showing anything. It's a purely black screen. Blank screen or a black screen. Nothing on monitor. No hard disk LED blinking. No keyboard LED. Okay. So by this one, we can understand it is a post failure. If post is failure, what to do? Okay. If post is failure, what to do? It is because of any of your computer component, means main component like CPU, maybe RAM, maybe on motherboard power supplies, some problem is there. Either it is failed or incompatible hardware is installed or maybe loose connectivities possible. Most of the time we choose RAM. RAM may be a loose connected, RAM slots are dust, RAM failures, not properly connected. So because of we are getting this post effect. Not only that, guys, CPUs will be there, motherboard chipsets, motherboard power distributions also there. So what you will do? So what we have to do? So nothing, just disconnect all power connections, clean the RAM, clean the RAM, okay, reinsert the RAM, crossfire with another RAM to make sure that your RAM is working or not. And another is on motherboard, LED post errors are there on motherboard. So nowadays, if you are using any desktop, you can easily observe that there is a LED status. If RAM is having a problem, then RAM related LED is going to be blink. If CPU is having a problem, then CPU related LED will blink. VGA means, I got this problem when I installed i3-9100F model. It is a i3. I am not seen properly the documents. Then I purchased it because it is cheap cost and I installed it. Later I realized this processor does not have any graphical memory inside. No graphical memory inside in this. Okay. So what happened? So we need to install a graphic card. So I am getting this VGA LED. 1 second. Okay. So it is any graphic card or graphical memory issues, it is there. If bootable device is failure, then you can see the bootable disk like this. Like your hard disk does not contain operating system, or hard disk is failed, or maybe no bootable device is connected to load operating system, then this will lead is blinking. Okay. This is called a postcard. What is the postcard? Earlier days, we do not have this LED kind of stuff. We use a postcards. So what they will do? So they insert these postcards into the motherboard PCS slots. Okay. Into the motherboard PCS slots, they will insert these postcards. This will display some number. Based on that number, based on that number, so we can able to understand where exactly an issue is occurring. It is CPU related, RAM related, other peripherals related, chipsets on motherboard, or power supply distribution related. So we can exactly, we know where is the issues. Based on that, people will troubleshoot it. Of course, as personally, we never do that one because of that is completely core hardware related people will do that one. Okay. So we should understand where is an occurs. Okay. Primary investigation, we should understand it. Okay. If like you are using a computer and it's suddenly not working means, oh, not working, not working. It's not like that. No? So we should understand we have to do some primary investigation. Later on that one, so any core hardware related issues are occur. So compulsory, we have to go to the chip level troubleshooting people, hardware troubleshooting people, then we can go for it. Okay. So this is power on self-test time. What is it? System, you power on your system, post will launch. So post is successful, next step. Post failure, troubleshoot. How you know post is failure? No beep sound or continuous or long beep sounds. Okay, nothing on your monitor means it is like a black screen or a blank screen kind of stuff. No LED blinking. Okay, nothing on monitor. No hard disk LED. No keyboard LED blinking. So mostly we are put this thing on the RAM only. But not only RAM, remaining also is a responsible. Okay, possibility is mostly RAM. That's why we put it on everything under RAM only. Also, we can understand what is exactly our post error based on the postcards and the motherboards that there will be a LED indication is there for which is exactly an issue. In this case, it is a DRAM issue, RAM related issue. Guys, understand the first step issue, post related issues.
Yes.
Very good. The second one is, of course, post is successful. System check for the boot priority to locate operating system. So what it is system will do, post is successful. What is the next step? So based on the boot priorities, try to locate operating system. load MBR record, then it will load bootloader, right? So this. Okay. Next, pick the boot priority. Of course. For example, my operating system is in hard disk. Generally, our operating system is in hard disk. You turn on your system, host is successful. On your screen, it is showing this kind of errors. What is it? Boot device not found. Boot MGR is missing. Or you can see here it is the bottom. No boot file name received. Operating system not found. Unable to find bootable device. Un- Unable to find bootable device. No boot device found. Unable to find bootable device. Okay. No boot device found. Sometimes it will show. You try to search operating system finally in network location. So finally no bootable device. Insert boot disk and press any key. Any error, guys, anything represent your operating system is not there. Okay, unable to find bootable device. No operating system device not found. So all these errors indication is so same thing only. There is a 2 points, guys. Where is an operating system? In a hard disk. Okay, so here two reasons. Either hard disk is not working or operating system corrupted or operating system is not there. Possibility is hard disk is not working or failed or not connected or OS in operating system. There is no operating system in hard disk or hard operating system is corrupted. Okay, there is a two possibilities. One is related to hard disk, another one is related to operating system. The very first one we have to check hard disk is available or not. How to check it? Go to the BIOS settings. That's why BIOS settings are important. Why? So you're suddenly on your screen, portable device not found. So where to go? Go to the BIOS settings. In the BIOS settings, find out is hard disk is showing or not. See, fixed hard disk 1 TB it is showing. So is it like that? Is a hard disk is showing or not? If hard disk is showing, operating system related issues. Hard disk is not showing, then you have to do first troubleshooting related to the hard disk. Okay, go to the BIOS setting, check hard disk is available. Yes means voice in the hard disk related issue. Hard disk is not there. Check hard disk is connected or not. Cross verify and replace the hard disk. Make sure that hard disk is properly connected. If not connected or maybe you have a doubt, so shut down your PC, remove all power connections, disconnect the hard disk and reconnect the hard disk and try once again. Sometimes hard disk lose connection also give this issue. Hard disk lose connection also will give these issues. So disconnect and connect the hard disk. Change the data cable. Check the hard disk with the other system. Hard disk is working or not. Make sure first you have to confirm the hard disk. Okay. If hard disk is not working, then you have to replace the hard disk. Hard disk is not working in case. Okay. If you have a system image backup, you have already taken this system image backup. So then you can able to restore into a new hard disk. Otherwise, reinstall OS. What is this system image backup? You can go to your control panel. Go to the control panel, backup and restore if you have Windows system. System image backup. This is system image backup, guys. So I will read it if you are unable to. Then a system image is a copy of drives required to required for a Windows to run. It also include additional drives. A system image can be used to restore your computer if your hard drive or a computer ever stops. However, you cannot choose individual items to restore. Okay, it is not a simple backup kind of stuff. It is so complete C drive. You can able to take a backup. It includes your operating system, application settings, user profile data will be backed. Your hard disk is failed, so you connect a new hard disk, restore this system image to it. Or your operating system is failed, same thing. Clean up your hard disk and restore this system image. Generally, most of the people they won't take it this system image backups. Okay. Okay, why we should waste a lot of space? Like I have my C drive, it's a 200 GB data is there. Where can I store all this data? Okay. So if hard disk is not working, you have to reconnect the new hard disk. If you have a system image backup, restore into it. Otherwise, you have to start to installing operating system again. Okay. Sometimes operating system is corrupted, just like it is showing only boot MGR is corrupted. Then you have to connect a operating system original installation disk and go for a repair options and try to copy that boot MGR files to it. In our Windows 10, we have a troubleshooting model. So you can try startup repair. The startup repair we can try only when this type of loading is there. Guys, these things I will explain later again. So what are these options? What is startup setting? What is the startup repair? All these things. Once again, unable to find bootable device not found, boot MGR is missing, this kind of stuff. Either hard disk is corrupted or hard disk is not working or operating system is not working or corrupted. Hard disk is working, operating system related. Either you choose startup repair or reset this PC. If you have a system image backup, so restore it. Otherwise, reinstall the operating system. Hard disk is not working, you have to add a new hard disk and go to system image backup and restore it. Otherwise, install the OS. Simple steps. Okay. Guys, understand how to check hard disk is working or not? By go to BIOS settings. Guys, understand this error. If you got this error, how to check it? What is the process? Almost all finished. Mhm. Hmm? Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Just I'm copying all the notes. So then we'll discuss one day. So what is this? Where we are? Yes. Okay. So we have to verify your hard disk is. Third step is almost second and third is same. Like if your operating system is available, of course it will load. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, okay. So locate MBR record, bootloader, finding a bootloader, loading operating system, all are same only. So two and third step is same. Okay. Different bootloaders are there, depends upon it. So loading operating system, sometimes most of the time loading operating system you won't get it. Sometimes you may get it because of operating system incompatibilities. Okay. For example, I remove an hard disk from one system, inserted into another system. Or maybe I'm trying to installing operating system. So that time, so different OS means mine is a 32-bit system. I'm trying to install 64-bit system. So that time you may get it. Okay. So loading operating system generally yesterday it is working. Today definitely it is working. Okay. So but important is post and hard disk or operating system is working on that. Okay, if it is working, automatically will be getting booted. Once we booted, OS will be loaded happily. Generally, so loading operating system, you won't get any issues. If you are getting issues, again, troubleshooting is OS corrupted troubleshooting. You have to do it. And finally, once you got login screen, login. So you will get a login screen like a startup application services will load. Okay, this is up to here. But there is a one thing. So you are finally voice is booted. Finally, voice is booted. Now you got a login screen, you log in. After login, so you want to open some application, but it is taking time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's taking time, right? I understand some people may face this issue. So they started a PC. So system is started and they log in. After login, they cannot use system immediately, even for after easily 1 2 minutes. It take 5 to 10 minutes to they can able to work on it. So that is also an issue. Okay. So that issues also I will try to cover in the next point to improve the system performance. Different steps we can able to improve your system performance and mainly startup issues also we are going to discuss in this point. So there we are I'm going to cover. So so whenever you start your PC, why you are getting this slow PC. So that's startup issues we will going to discuss it next. Guys, understand what is a boot processing? What type of issues you may get it, like a post failure or a operating system loading failure. So what you can able to do when you are getting that kind of issues. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take a small break. We'll continue. So how to deal with this startup kind of stuff. So application related. But startup, disabling startup also I will try where it is gone. Yeah, here it is startup kind of stuff. Okay. So that is and how to maintain the system. So today we'll finish this part and 1 or 2 points. Some points I may cannot cover today, but so definitely in the troubleshooting time. So I will tell. Okay. So take a small break. 10 minutes. So come back in 12:10. 12, 15. Okay, it's already 12.5.